Hello viewers, let's continue our SQL series, and now we have to solve one more question on biggest single number, which is LeetCode 619. So in this question there is given a table name which is my number, okay, and the column name is num and the type is given int. This table may contain duplicates. Okay, so this table may contain duplicates. Each row of this table contains an integer. A single number in this table that appeared only once in my number table. Find the largest single number. If there is no single number, report null. Okay, so you just have to return, you have to find the single greatest number. If there is no number containing, then you just have to return null. Okay, so here is the greatest number. Single greatest number is 6. Okay, so single greatest number means the number which is occurring only one time. Okay, and out of which occurring one time which is largest, so 6 is largest. So here is 0 means null because all the numbers are duplicates repeating more than 2, so you just have to return null. Okay, so I hope you understand that what this question is telling. First you have to do select, you have to select from my numbers where num in, then you just have to do select num from my numbers. You just have to do group by num having count is equals to 1. Okay, so I hope you understand. Then you just have to write the maximum of num and you just have to rewrite the value as num. Okay, so let's run this code. Yeah, this code works fine. Let's submit this. Yeah, this has been accepted. Thanks for watching.